How to fix Starfield power from beyond bug. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to fix Starfield power from beyond quest bug. So there are some methods that you can follow. First one's plot course to Altair 1. Here you can see that to resolve the issue in the power from beyond quest in Starfield, you can follow these steps as suggested by Reddit user. So here you can see that you have to open the menu and access the star map. In the star map, set a course to Altair, and when you reach Altair 1, the request marker for power from beyond should now appear as expected. This method was shared by the Reddit user to address a similar bug in the Nawaki mission and may also work for fixing the power beyond quest. So here's the second method. You can plot a chart course to the planet. You can open the game and go to the star map. You can press the missions button on the star map, select the chart course, and you can go to the planet and do not make a land zone. Select a landing site you did not create and you should reach the temple now. Or you can just go with the third method, that is you can look manually for the marker. And then comes the fourth method, that's try new game plus NG plus to unlock the final missing ability in the game during new game plus. Follow these steps. You can start a new game plus, you can quickly progress through the beginning stages and skip the main quest. You can visit Vladimir to obtain information about temple locations. Specifically focus on finding the second temple as it may hold the key to unlocking the last ability you were missing, and this method should help you acquire the last ability you need to enhance your character during new game plus. And then the fifth method is you can finish constellation quest. You can continue working on the constellation quest and finish them. After completing the constellation quest, return to the lodge and talk with the Starborn on their ship. Once this is done, all the quests in power from beyond should become available, allowing you to progress through the quest line. These are some additional solutions for power from beyond quest bug. Here are some additional solutions to address the power from beyond quest marker bug in Starfield. You can engage in other quests, restart the game, and often the issue resolves itself. You can attempt to progress the main storyline as this has worked for some players. On the planet map, return to your ship, which should display next to the scanner anomaly logo. Hover over the anomaly logo and press X to initiate landing. Re-enter your ship, take off from the planet, save your game and load the new save, land on the kink planet, and the scanner distortion issue may be resolved. Thank you for staying with me. I'll be back with another video. Bye bye.